Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. So a couple months ago, I actually made Camden some really cool tie-dye shoes that he loved a lot, but he was really hard on them, and actually the dog ended up eating them. So today we're gonna make some new shoes. I decided to do Galaxy shoes today. So here's what you need. Pick some Galaxy type colors, some blues, purples, and black. Rubbing alcohol and a paintbrush. And then this is a paint marker to add the stars on later. All right, let's get started. All right, so just real quick, I did the front half of the shoe. I'm gonna put the rubbing alcohol on there so you can see how it all blends together. Some people put the rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle, and that actually seems to work pretty well. I just didn't have one, so I'm using a paintbrush. And then if the colors aren't what you like, go ahead and go back over it. I might add some more black to this. I thought this turned out a little more tie-dye and a little less Galaxy than I wanted, so I'm just going to take the black marker and put that right over top. I think it just needs some darker colors in it. All right, here's what we got so far. I don't like this pop of pink here. I think that's a little bit too much for outer space. So I'm gonna get rid of some of it. Better. All right, so one thing that I didn't mention that I did do last time, that I didn't do this time, was take Vaseline and put it along the bottom of the shoe. If you do that, if you get any marker on there, it'll be easier to clean off. So you're not gonna mess it up. Just get some marker and go on the shoe. If you don't like the way it looks, get more marker, go over top of it. The rubbing alcohol just blends everything together. If you just go with dark space colors, it's gonna look good. All right, here's what we got right now. Doesn't look like much, just some scribbles. Let's blend it all together. All right, so this is what I have so far. All right, so now I'm gonna take my paint marker. You can also use paint, but this is what I had, so this is what I'm using. I'm gonna add some stars. All right, so when you're doing the second shoe, just try to follow the same type of design that you had on the first one. I tried to do the same type of swirls. And then as far as putting the color on, I think if you layer it, maybe do some blue and then do black over top. I think that makes it turn out pretty nice. So this is what it looks like right now before the rubbing alcohol. All right, so here we have them, finished product. This one is still wet from all of the rubbing alcohol, that's why it's a little bit darker.
I love these shoes and I love them so much that I love them a billion times.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you do end up making any shoes like this, let us know in the comments down below because I would love to hear about it. I hope to see you next time. Bye.